Welcome to Auto Flash France, the channel where classic cars come back to life with style and passion. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic vehicles in American automotive history, the legendary Chevrolet Bel Air. Not just any model, but the classic version that defined a generation and still turns heads on every road. First launched in the 1950s, the Chevrolet Bel Air quickly became a symbol of post-war optimism and American design ambition. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement, a rolling piece of art that captured the spirit of an era. And nothing made that statement louder than its unforgettable exterior. Let's start with the design. The classic Bel Air stands out with its long, low profile, accented by sweeping chrome trim that runs from the front fenders to the rear fins. At the front, you'll notice the bold, wide grille with integrated bumper design, flanked by dual circular headlights that gleam with vintage charm. Above it, the hood ornament, often shaped like a jet plane, reminds us of the space-age inspiration of the 50s. The fenders are beautifully rounded, giving the car a muscular yet graceful presence on the road. Moving to the side, the two-tone paint jobs, common in Bel Air models, elevate the visual appeal. Chrome spears, custom scripts, and polished door handles add to the sense of elegance and motion, even when the car is parked. The rear end is where the Bel Air truly sets itself apart. Those iconic tail fins, a signature of 50s Americana, rise boldly, housing jewel-like taillights that sparkle under sunlight or neon. The rear bumper is wide, heavy, and chrome-drenched, often featuring stylish exhaust tips and detailed badging. When it comes to performance, the Bel Air wasn't just about looks. Under the hood, classic models were powered by V8 engines that provided respectable horsepower for their time. Its weight and balance gave it a smooth and confident ride, making it a pleasure to cruise down the boulevard or highway. Its stance, low and wide, gave it an aggressive yet refined attitude. The wheel designs, often with white wall tires and full chrome hubcaps, completed the vintage aesthetic with perfection. Historically, the Bel Air represents a golden era in American car manufacturing. Built between 1950 and 1975, the most celebrated versions came in the 1955 to 1957 range, often called the Tri-5 models. These cars were seen as luxurious, futuristic, and aspirational, making them favorites among collectors and car shows to this day. Many enthusiasts today choose to restore them to factory specs, while others go for modernized resto mods that preserve the body but upgrade the engine and suspension. From its distinctive silhouette to its masterful chrome work, the Chevrolet Bel Air remains an icon of automotive design. It's more than just a classic, it's a cultural symbol. And here at Auto Flash France, we salute its everlasting style and timeless appeal. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more classic car content from Auto Flash France. See you on the next drive.